Greetings, future Mr. Yund, maybe Carla. This is Advanced American Nation, Chapter 19, Reflection. My only note for Advanced is that the virtual lesson needs a little updated. The virtual lesson I made with the old textbook, Chapter 19, and the old textbook and the new textbook were almost identical, but the order of the lessons was a little different, and so that is reflected in the virtual lesson. So the virtual lesson order of topics just isn't the same as in the textbook, which is something I would like to change. So really, not a lot of changes to the actual content, but a little reorganization of the virtual lesson is in order. Other than that, basic upgrades to the formatting. Topics this chapter were, what we got? Mining and railroads, lesson on the Transcontinental Railroad. Ranchers and farmers was a fun one about cowboys and Great Plains farmers. Native American struggles is really about all the Indian wars that happened the whole time. A couple of massacres, things like that. And then farmers, a new political force. Perhaps the individual most boring lesson of the entire chapter. I worked hard to make it fun though. Reformatted everything. Fixed broken links. A lot of pictures. Seems like the further I get into the year, the more pictures need to be replaced. Pretty standard chapter with spring break in the middle. We came back, we studied, we did the test. Let's check that speed grader test. There is an essay question on the back end, as there usually is in advanced. And the kids did really good. Standard, pretty average grade, 96%. The advanced kids did very well on the essay question. Had a little tip in there. I think that tipped most of them off in the direction I was looking for them. So yeah, it went well. Other than I'd say refurbing the virtual lesson. Next year, like a major focus for me this year, every day for every lesson was cleaning it up, reformatting it, making it look nice. Next year is supplemental material, especially in the advanced courses, with perhaps with definitely a lean on making the course a little more multicultural. So we'll definitely have a lot of that in the supplemental material. That's it. That's all for now. Peace out.